Soybean, Glycine max, also called soja bean or soya bean, annual legume of the pea family, Fabaceae, and its edible seed. The soybean is economically the most important bean in the world, providing vegetable protein for millions of people and ingredients for hundreds of chemical products. Is soyabean good for health? Soybeans and soy foods may reduce the risk of a range of health problems, including cardiovascular disease, stroke, coronary heart disease, CHD, some cancers, as well as improving bone health. Soy is a high-quality protein. 1 or 2 daily serves of soy products can be beneficial to our health. What are the benefits of eating soybeans? Soybeans are high in protein and a decent source of both carbs and fat. They are a rich source of various vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds, such as isoflavones. For this reason, regular soybean intake may alleviate the symptoms of menopause and reduce your risk of prostate and breast cancer. Can soyabean be eaten daily? The bottom line, yes, you can go ahead and eat soy daily and feel good about it. Just be sure that you're consuming an appropriate amount, about 3 servings of lesser processed soy foods.